What's up, y'all? We checking out a video uploaded recently by Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews. Shout out to you. I'm giving y'all a fresh reaction. My wife has not seen this. I would love to know what she thinks.
He always be trying to set me up, y'all.
Now, apparently this young scholar just finished a Ironman competition and now is getting on bended knee to propose. Let's watch.
We want to tell his story, and he thinks he wants to say something.
Caught a cramp? This is a sign from God, mind you. It's a sign from God! Don't you do it! The good Lord has attempted to smite your muscles to send you a sign. It'd be right in front of our faces, right? We just ignore them.
Okay, so besides his MTR's commentary, I don't know what I'm missing from the video.
What did you think of the video?
Well, I was like, okay, he was gonna propose. He caught a cramp in his leg when he was about to propose, I guess, and fell out. Did he not really catch a cramp? I'm not 100% sure. Like, I don't know exactly. Did I miss something?
Do you remember we were watching Married at First Sight and homegirl almost fell in a ditch with her bike? What did her husband do?
Oh, just stood there. I mean, just sat there.
Homeboy looked like he was having a straight seizure. Yo, okay, guys. Imagine this if Imagine this as if you will. Okay, guys. All right, because I know 98% of y'all is guys. So the 3 of y'all ladies, y'all could comment in this and tell me what you would do. Your man that you love so much that you're willing to accept his love as he comes and proposes to you to be his wife forever and ever. You about to be a fiance. That's how much you care about this man. He out there doing Ironman marathons and doing all of this stuff. You know, he out here killing it. And then he get down on his knees. And as he's about to bring the ring, he goes, and falls to the ground and is sitting there prone like he's going through rigor mortis, like his muscles done seized up on him. Are you like, nah, you need to go ahead and say what you got to say right now. I'm waiting for you to finish with the proposal. Or are you gonna run down and be like, baby, are you okay? Honey, are you okay? What's wrong? Are you all right? What did you think supposed to happen?
Well, I mean, true. I guess because I'm watching the video to like see something, you know, I was just like waiting for it. But in hindsight, yeah, I guess that would be.
This let y'all know where her mind at. She messed up, bro. She would have left all of us hanging. We just would have been sitting there with our leg cramped up and stuck. You know what I'm saying? You know how, like, you ever hit your funny bone and you can't move your arm? Your arm be like this. You be like, ah. She would just let you suffer and look at you if you bringing out a ring for her, apparently. That's what it is. Brother, you know what I'm saying? I might agree with MTR. We don't always agree on everything. But this one I might rock with him. God smited his body and said, no, don't do it. Don't do it, son. And he wouldn't listen. He struggled through the thing. It was like, I'm going to go.
Do you think maybe she was just in shock?
If I were ever in real pain and you saw me standing there under any circumstance, to the point that I can't stand or kneel anymore, that I'm falling to the ground, you would just sit there?
No.
That's all I'm saying. Run. Run. It ain't work. I don't even know her. I don't know what she was thinking, but she was thinking something off. Just like homegirl who fell in the ditch on Mad at First Sight, and the husband was like, come on, man, get up. You embarrassing me. Like, what are you doing? Press it. Turn the thing. She was like, are you just gonna let me fall? And he was like, I don't know how to, mind you, he was completely still. I don't know how to stop it. I don't know how to put it in park.
I don't know how to put it in park.
I feel like if I get off of this thing, even though I'm not there to actually hit the gas, it's just gonna take off on me. So I'm gonna sit here and watch you struggle with this thing, because you need to be more independent as far as I'm concerned. I don't understand why you ain't got it yourself. That's how he was acting. She was like, I did not feel protected. I did not feel like he valued me at all. I know where he at. And guess what? they sure enough ended up getting divorced.
Yeah.
If your mate look at you and you fall in pain and you crying and they just be like, you better get up, man.
You know what? I guess I'm looking at it because it's like I understand what's happening. I'm like, oh, okay, he caught a cramp because they just said that he did the Iron Man thing. So I guess I'm watching. I'm like, okay, he caught a cramp. I'm not even thinking about the fact that she's standing right there and not
See my face?
being involved.
This is me not buying it.
I'm just saying, I'm not thinking about her being there, being involved.
Just run, y'all.
Run.
That's it. That's all I'm saying. Peace.